Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas, sailing from Los Angeles. Now this particular category is a promenade view stateroom, but it's an accessible promenade, so it's quite a bit different than the others. You're going to find more space in here and several accessibility features. Now I'll go through that in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and keep the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now I wanted to point out one thing. Coming in the door, it is wider, so it's pretty easy to get a chair through here. Though the one thing that it is missing compared to the ultra-modern new ships is the ability to have an automatic door. So a lot of the brand new ships will have that. This ship is older, it's been renovated, it's in great shape. But if that's something that you need, please keep that in mind. Now over here, you're gonna find the storage. Now you've got quite a bit of storage up and down with shelving, shelves on the top. You're gonna have hanging storage all the way along here, and then you've got more hanging storage as well. This is one of those accessibility features where you can pull it down to access the hanging items. Next up is the writing desk. Now this does double as a vanity, so it's backlit. You've got lighting on either side. You've got storage up and down, storage in the drawers as well. You'll find the hairdryer in there. This is a bit wider of an opening than you'll find on the other rooms on the ship, so you can get underneath there with a chair. Now you're going to have a Euro plug and 2 US plugs. Those are the primary plugs here in the room that you can utilize for charging. Now I always bring an extra European adapter or converter so I can take advantage of all of them in the room. Above here you're going to find a little bit of storage. You're going to have your flat panel TV here. Now it's adjustable so you can view it from the side if you want to sit on the couch or from the bed itself. Just underneath you're going to find your mini fridge. Just underneath, you're going to find your mini fridge, and then right above that, you're going to find your safe. Now, the safe's a little bit lower in here than you're going to find in the other categories. Perfect for a passport and wallet, but not quite big enough for a laptop. Now, continuing on through the space, you're going to have your couch here, and then you're going to have another nook to sit right here as well. Now, this is a promenade view room. You're looking directly over the Royal Promenade. Now, I will say that sometimes in the evenings when they're doing parades and they're doing different events, usually it's done by about 9:30 or 10 o'clock. You can get a bit of noise in here, so if you're sensitive to that, make sure you keep that in mind. But it's a really nice upgrade from a standard interior or even one of those virtual interiors, which we have on the channel as well, because you can look down and you can do some people watching, and especially if you want to participate in the parades and the different entertainment without heading down there yourself. You've got a coffee table right here, that perfect place to take advantage of the room service menu. And now we're going to head into the bathroom. As we do, you've got 2 hooks above, 2 lower hooks as well. I like that touch. And then you're going to have an extra wide door with a roll-in feature. So you see they have the drains on the floor here, so you don't have any threshold to really go up and over. In here, you'll find your shower. So you've got the shower head up above and an adjustable shower wand that can easily be reached. You've got your chair that will pull down here. I traveled a lot with my grandmother when she was in a wheelchair, and having that made all the difference in the world for us. You've got the shower curtain that will pull shut and wrap around there. You also have the toilet tucked in the corner. You've got grab bars on either side, and then you have another pull-down grab bar and also an emergency feature here just in case you needed to utilize that. You're going to have your vanity. It's a little bit lower with room underneath if you need to roll in. You've got your charger here. It is perfect for a shaver, but it's not used for anything other than that. You've got storage in here all the way up and down. And then you've got your towel bars over here. And I like the feature that they're the same as the grab bars. So if you need to remove some of these towels and utilize it as a grab bar, you can do that as well. As we're heading out, I just wanted to point out that the shower hooks, they have 2 here and 4 across that are lower, and they've got higher ones as well. Next up is the bed. Now it's a little bit lower than you're going to find in some of the other beds, intentionally so. See the padding wrapped all the way around. You've got storage underneath, and keep in mind this can separate apart into 2 twins if you prefer that. You've got nightstands on either side with a little bit of storage tucked in. You've got the emergency call buttons on either side as well. Your temperature control right here is a little bit lower. It could be a little lower, but it should be fine right there for you. And then I also wanted to point out that on the side of the phone here, you're going to have a USB charger. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.